Did you know that South Park, the beloved animated show, has a real-life counterpart? Yes, there's an actual place called South Park in Colorado. Let's kick off our countdown of 10 lesser-known South Park facts with that little tidbit. Number 10, the creators of South Park, Trey Parker and Matt Stone, met in a film class at the University of Colorado. They bonded over their shared love of Monty Python, which influenced the humor in South Park. Number 9, South Park has a knack for predicting the future. The show once predicted that Disney would buy Star Wars, which happened 6 years later in 2012. Moving on to number 8. Kenny, the character known for his numerous deaths on the show, was based on a real childhood friend of Trey Parker's. This friend always wore a parka and was often thought to be dead because he was absent so often. At number 7, South Park is the second longest running animated show in the US right after The Simpsons. It's been on the air since 1997 and has over 300 episodes. Number 6, South Park's very first episode was made entirely out of construction paper. Today, the show uses computer animation that mimics this original style. Halfway through our countdown at number 5, South Park has won numerous awards, including 5 Primetime Emmy Awards and a Peabody Award. Number 4, the character of Chef, voiced by Isaac Hayes, was written out of the show after Hayes, a Scientologist, objected to an episode that satirized Scientology. On to number 3. The show's creators have a rule called the giant douche and turd sandwich rule. This means that they always try to satirize both sides of an argument, no matter how ridiculous each side may seem. Penultimate fact, number 2, the South Park movie, Bigger, Longer and Uncut, holds the Guinness World Record for the most swearing in an animated film. And the number 1 most surprising South Park fact, despite its mature content, South Park was originally intended to be a children's show. That's right, the show that's known for its crude humor and adult themes was originally pitched as a show similar to The Muppets. To recap, we've learned that South Park has real-life roots, predicted Disney's acquisition of Star Wars, and was initially meant to be a kids' show. Plus, who could forget the giant douche and turd sandwich rule, or the fact that the South Park movie holds a world record for swearing? The world of South